Can you imagine a paper boat sailing far across the sea? Good day, everyone, to our team, RTC staffs and administrators, professors, visitors and guests, our proud parents, and our fellow graduates. As I stand here today, I can't help but look back on the journey that brought me to this moment. A journey that filled with challenges, sacrifices, and the people who believe in me when I couldn't believe in myself. Again, would you believe that a paper boat can sail far across the sea? A paper boat starts as a simple piece of paper. You can write an information on it, but why does information need to be written? I still remember my elementary days. While others were receiving medals, I was outside playing text, pogs, lastiko, and without an award. And deep inside, I envied those who were recognized. But one teacher changed everything, Ma'am Glenn. She believed in me before I could believe in myself. Her trust awakened something in me. I worked harder, believed in myself, and eventually graduated elementary as an achiever. That's the magic of belief. Sometimes, you only need one person to remind you of your worth. Just like a simple piece of paper can become a boat. I, too, was shaped by words and people around me. And this reminds me of a line that reflects my journey. Even a paper boat can sail far across the sea. Like a paper boat, we are all fragile. We face storms, doubts, and people who underestimate us. But courage is not born from strength alone. It is born from weakness, fear, and decision to keep going. As I grew older, the waves become stronger. I remember waking up at 3 a.m. just to climb 1,500 steps from the Mount Paucuenca before riding a tricycle and jeepney going to our school in Fermin La Rosa National High School. Through those struggles, my parents sacrificed. So I chose to fight. I chose to persevere. That medal was never just a medal. It was a proof of sacrifice, a sleepless night, and determination. Because of that, I graduated grade 10 with honors. And despite the pressures and challenges of the pandemic, with faith